In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel a pending order on Pepperstone. Begin by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, look toward the bottom section of the screen and open the Trade tab. This area shows your active trading information and gives you access to your current positions and orders. After that, select the Orders tab. This is where your pending orders are listed. Take a moment to look through the available orders and find the one you want to cancel. It is important to choose the correct order before moving forward, especially if you have more than one pending trade waiting in the market. When you find the order, review its details carefully. Check the instrument, order type, price level, and any other visible information so you can confirm that it is the exact pending order you want to remove. This quick review helps avoid canceling the wrong order by mistake. Once you are sure, click the Cancel button next to that pending order. In some cases, the platform may show a confirmation window before the cancellation is completed. If that happens, read the details shown in the confirmation prompt and make sure everything matches the order you intended to cancel. Then click Cancel again to confirm the request. After that, give the platform a moment to process the action. This usually only takes a short time. When the request has gone through, return to the Orders tab and check the list again. The pending order should no longer appear there. As a final check, open the History tab if it is available on your platform. This section may show the canceled order as part of your account activity. Reviewing the history can help confirm that the cancellation was completed successfully. You log in, open the Trade section, go to Orders, select the correct pending order, cancel it, confirm the action, and then verify that it has been removed from the list. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.